Ipinagtanggol ng Malacanang ang paghuli ng Philippine National Police sa mga foreign nationals na lumabag sa environment protection at wildlife conservation laws. Ito ay kasabay na rin ng pagpapanatili sa sovereign rights ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Exclusive Economic Zone o EEZ. Sinabi ito ng Presidential Communications Secretary San Nicoloma sa demand umano ng China palayain ang umano'y Chinese fishermen na nahuli sa bahagi ng Palawan. Nauna nang ipinahayag ng Department of Foreign Affairs na tutugunan ng ahensya ang pamahalaan ang naturang kaso ng mabilis, patas at may makataong pagtrato.
The action taken by the Philippine National Police yesterday in apprehending a foreign fishing vessel and a local fishing boat is in accordance with its duty to enforce environmental protection and wildlife conservation laws while upholding Philippine sovereign rights over our exclusive economic zone. As pointed out by the DFA, relevant authorities in Palawan will address this case in a just, humane, and expeditious manner.